Welcome to our channel. Today at Wholesale Supplies Plus, we're talking about the top DIY gift ideas, just in time for Valentine's Day. Starting off with our sugared strawberry lip scrub. Lips are huge around Valentine's Day. Make sure you're adding a lip product to your shelf. Stick around because I have plenty of options around this. Next, Brazilian body lotion. Honestly, if you know, you know. A treat for the nose and the skin. Also inspired by a favorite popular brand. 100% of people love this recipe, so if you haven't tried it, do yourself a favor. Creamy goat milk body wash. This one was a shocker for me, but it's super gentle and super hydrating. The great thing about liquid body washes is that they're super easy to make and highly customizable, even if it was just for the season. Before we get too far ahead of ourselves, all these products come in kits. Our kits are made for all skill levels, whether you're brand new to business or a business pro. We have ideas for everyone to help you grow the best you can. This is all aside from the fact that we have everything from your everyday lip balm to beautiful artisanal CP soaps. Another great recipe is the moisturizing body oil. I mix this with my lotion right after a shower, and let me tell you, it's a game changer, especially during the winter months when you do have those extra dry areas. Speaking of seasonal products, here are a few ingredients that are interchangeable for the season. For example, in the winter, you might want a thicker body butter, vanillas and gourmands in your fragrance oil, and base oils that are super hydrating. Next up is our revitalizing face mask. This kit creates 18 individual bags and is great as a gift or even for a party. I've been seeing a trend of DIY face mask bars, so if you're not doing it, you heard it here first. Masks are great for Valentine's Day because no matter how you're spending the holiday, they apply to you. Whether you want to do it with your friends, for Galentine's, or your partner, masks are for everyone. Head to our website for a variety of masks for both hair and skin. And back to the lip balms. We have so many lip balms to choose from on our website. And being that it's Valentine's Day, we have a couple of chocolate recipes as well. These are small things that you can keep at your register for last minute purchases. One of my favorite lip balms is honey tea lip balm. It's a super simple recipe and it makes 22 lip balm tubes for just $24.38. But keep in mind with our kits, more is not always more. This pink mimosa whipped body butter recipe makes just 5 jars, but let me tell you, those 5 jars are like magic in a jar. Last but definitely not least, are you looking for something fun but maybe out of season? Try our pumpkin loofah MP soap. It may not be fall, but this little bar of soap will make you feel like it is. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Happy Valentine's Day!